Ships don't sink because of the water around them. Ships sink because of the water that gets in them. By this, I mean to say, don't let what's happening around you get inside you and weigh you down. We all have been reading and listening about being who we are, not bothering someone else's opinion, and believing in ourselves. But still, we end up taking and following decisions what others made for us. And we did not like it. Also, since this is what most of us follow, has forced me to ponder over. People have tried to push you down, may have put foundations on you for not doing certain things, or maybe doubted your potentials. I have been through this all. Being a non math student, I've got to listen a lot. These family, friends, and members of mine always used to prick my mind, telling that if I didn't choose math as my supplementary or own main subject, I can do nothing in my life, or I have nothing to relate myself to with studies. I remain quiet because I don't want to tell them anything, but I would rather show them that what wonders I could do with the things, with the choices I made for myself, and not what they said. I will make a life as happening as possible for myself because at this point of time, I'm neither a successful person standing with a motivational story, nor I am a mentor to anybody, but a lot of confidence within that I will achieve things one day. People plant these negative seeds of what I cannot do or I cannot become. They sometimes even tell me I'm lazy, I'm dumb, I'm not smart enough to take challenges in my life. I get disappointed sometimes, sitting in the corner, questioning my own ability. But then I give it a thought. Why do I have to think about what are they telling me? Or why do I have to wonder upon their opinions about me when I am the best in my very own ways? I can do what they cannot. And in order to be happy, I have to make choices in life that I like and not what they want me to like. You get appreciated for your work or not. You get applauded for your work or not. When you do what makes you happy and when you are satisfied with what you do, will actually make sense in your life. Don't ever let them define you because they aren't the ones who make and build you. But that is actually you who does this. Let them be the ones who will motivate you to keep moving in your life. Okay. Have you ever given yourself a second to think that why do you get embarrassed or feel awkward when your mother tells I love you or I'm proud of you in public and you cannot reply her back because of getting judged as silly, or your parents' appearance affecting your identity in your school meetings, that what would your friends or others think that they are not so adapted to the trendy fashion of today? Why don't you let these thoughts get off your mind? Don't let them affect the importance of the ones who have raised you and are a part of what you are today. Embrace the realness in them, that at least they are being who they are and not what others are telling them to be. They are doing what is making them happy. The world is filled with people who, no matter what you do, no matter how much you try, will not simply like you. But the world is also filled with people who love and support you fiercely. It is all upon you, from whom, what you grab, and what you let go. Don't waste your time and efforts trying to convince people who do not agree with any of your opinions, or always have to say something with whatever you do. You try to please them and you please no one. They won't buy what you are selling. Don't try to convince them walk your path because they won't do it and you'll have to walk alone at the end. You may not be for them and they may not be for you. You are different in your own ways. Opinions are not facts. Stop thinking about their opinions about you because you are beyond their opinions. Stop worrying about what will people think of you. You need to know you are unique. You are pretty. And when you know this, and there's just no point in proving this to anyone else. Stop trying to jam yourself into the molds that other people made. Others' voices or opinions should not shut your inner voice, your inner soul. Today, you are who you are with all of your flaws and mistakes. Tomorrow, you might be a tiny bit wiser, and that would be you too. These flaws and mistakes are what making up the brightest stars in the constellation of your life. You've got to love yourself for who you are, for who you were, and for who you aspire to become. Embrace yourself as hard as you can because there is no one who would do it for you. Stop giving importance to anyone else's opinion about yourself. You are who you like to be and feel proud of it. You watch whichever show you like, you wear what you want to, you just hang out with people whom you like, and you don't have to think about their opinions. Winston Churchill rightly quoted, if you stop and throw stones at every dog that barks, you'll never reach your destination. You just keep moving. No matter what you do, people will always talk about you. Someone will always doubt you. So just smile and make a choice you can live with. Thank you.